Withdrawing money from RBC ATM is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Withdrawing cash from an RBC ATM is a straightforward process, but it's helpful to be familiar with the steps before heading to the machine. Here's a guided walkthrough. You can find an RBC ATM near you using their online ATM locator, which is maps.rbc.com/rbcbank. Ensure you have your RBC debit card or credit card and know your 4-digit PIN. Gently insert your card into the card reader with the chip facing upwards and the magnetic strip facing towards the machine. Key in your 4-digit PIN on the keypad. Remember, keep your PIN confidential and avoid entering it in view of others. The screen will display various options. Choose withdrawal or withdrawal with receipt depending on your preference. You will be presented with preset withdrawal amounts or the option to enter a custom amount. Select the desired amount, ensuring it stays within your daily withdrawal limit. Review the displayed information for accuracy, then press confirm or continue to proceed. The ATM will dispense your cash. Wait for the bills to be completely dispensed before reaching into the slot. Finally, retrieve your card from the card reader. If you choose withdrawal with receipt, the ATM will print a receipt. Take it with you for records.